Of special interest to our viewers in the West tonight, right now in one of the prettiest spots in the country, the problem is dirty air. While this happens every year, this year is the worst anybody can remember, making life anywhere outside the home downright dangerous.
There was hope a winter storm would clear the air, but it made matters worse. Hundreds of pileups, the airport shut down for hours.
The air's so bad here, it's up to 4 times more toxic than what's considered safe.
Salt Lake County, home to over 1,100,000 citizens of the state of Utah. It is also the home to the number 6 year-round ranking of particle matter pollution in the country. But how does such a modest population factor towards such an excessive amount of pollution in our atmosphere? To the east lie the state's beautiful expanse of vistas, recreation, and outdoors, the Wasatch Front. To the west, the Ochre Mountains is home to Rio Tinto Kennecott Copper Mine, the largest open-pit copper mine in the world. These two mountain ranges make up the boundary of Salt Lake County, stretching from the foothills of North Salt Lake down to Traverse Range in the south. This geography creates a bowl-like atmosphere, generating an inversion layer. This natural phenomenon causes a barrier between high pressures at 5,250 feet above sea level and our atmosphere of low air pressures below. This entrapment causes a buildup of dangerous particle matter known as PM2.5. Precursors of the PM2.5 include SO2, sulfur dioxide, NOx, oxides of nitrogen, and VOCs, volatile organic compounds. These emissions mostly derive from Utah's industry and mobile sources. The particles within PM2.5 have dimensions smaller than 1/30th the diameter of a single human hair. This size of toxin cannot even be filtrated by common methods, such as widely used respirator masks.
Days like today, when the air quality is particularly bad, Nathan Lacrosse, an epidemiologist, says the best thing you can do to stay healthy is to avoid going outside. And he warns that while wearing a mask may help, not all masks are created equal.
Particulate matter that we're talking about, it's very smallest class. So these are particles that are less than 2.5 micrometers in size. And this is somewhere around 20 times smaller than the diameter of a human hair. So we're talking extremely, extremely small. Mini masks, and like I said, I don't know the specifics of what you mentioned, but mini masks are not able to filter out objects of that size.
Over 50% of PM2.5 comes from gasoline and diesel fuel combustion of vehicles. The remainder comes from the local industries, businesses, and homes encompassing the geography of the valley. Even though the heightened threat of this toxic smog is most worrisome in the winter season, it still has a threshold even in the summer. Since the crash of 2008, Utah has already started a growth pattern again. Even if vehicle emissions are somehow managed through such means as carpooling, public transit systems, and turning off idling cars, industry and residential emissions grow as population and businesses continue to move to Utah. State air quality control and emission standards must be given continual support as we move forward to a more environmentally safe future. Even though poor air quality and respiratory illnesses have long been a topic of concern, what the future holds for Utah's air quality might still remain to be seen.